Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure OnePlus 6T for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, navigate to the system. Right here, first option is accessibility, and then we can adjust our display and the font size. So click on the font size to change it between 4 different levels. I'm going to make it as large as possible. Then we can go back and navigate to display scaling. Here you can change on how big your display will be, and that changes all of the icons, text, and the buttons you can find on that display. Now we can go back, enter magnification, enable magnification shortcut, and if you swipe up with 2 fingers, you should be able to enter magnification mode. Like this, and then click anywhere on the screen to zoom in. If you want to leave it, then you will need to do the same thing. Now we can go back and enter, or actually we don't need to enter it. On the bottom you can find remove animations. When enabled, it will reduce motion sickness while using your phone. And honestly, that's all of the settings I would recommend to change. You can of course experiment here in accessibility if you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.